Okay, a quick little video to kind of walk you through kind of how to put this roof together. There it is sitting on the barn, and if we notice, it overhangs off both ends, and it overhangs 1.5 inches. The roof rafters, as far as the separations between the two of them, are going to be 3 inches, 3 inches on center between the two, and you're going to measure 3 inches on center at the bottom as well. So this would be called the ridge beam, and this would be called the ridge beams at the top, and the fascia board is down at the bottom, and your rafter is going to run in between there. Then we have these stretchers that are kind of spanning between the two, and those things are resting right on top of the top plate. And those stretchers are important. Otherwise, the weight of the roof will push down and kind of split apart at the top. So it takes some of the stress off of that by making those triangle shapes. I'm going to remove this roof, and we'll look a little closer at how to go about putting this together. This is basically two symmetrical pieces, or two symmetrical parts. We have kind of the right side and the left side, and those things are mirror images of one another. So if you build, if you're trying to put your roof together, the first thing you want to do is maybe focus on building the left section, and then as that's drying, build the right section, and then after that is done drying, then you can tape the two of them together. All right, then you can tape the two of them together. Once they're taped together, they're going to hold kind of a little bit of an angle. You can go ahead and set it on top of your barn, and it'll kind of show you about where they're touching the edges. Center it up as best you can, and then you can glue in and tape your stretchers going across, resting on top of your top plate. So it's kind of a 3-step glue up. Do one side, and then glue up the other side. Then you're going to glue up the two ends together, and then once you have that, then you can set it on top and put your stretchers going across. Okay? Good luck with this. Reach out with any questions if you have any.